Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I have a new product that's releasing tomorrow from the Happy Planner. So this is going to release on Wednesday, July 15th. Time and info will be down in the description. Oh, actually I have, July 15th. I'll put time down in the description because I'm not sure exactly on time. But it'll be in the description so that way you can grab one of these if you'd like. And I will have my affiliate link down in the description to use. I'm going to flip through this so you can see what we have, a new product from the Happy Planner. I'm actually really excited because it's a new type of planner journal that you can incorporate into your system, and I'm excited to incorporate this one into my system. Tomorrow I'll be doing a video setting this up because I have some things I want to add to it, and I'm really excited for this. So first things first, it comes in this really pretty box. I always love a good box. This one says happiness starts here, has the Happy Planner logo here, some cute little polka dots and stripes, and here's the back. Okay, so let's get into it. We have it all nicely wrapped here in some tissue paper, some striped and polka dot tissue paper, Plan a Happy Life sticker. I'm actually going to pull it out so that way I can not ruin the paper, because I'm saving this paper to use in some journaling spreads, so I definitely want to make sure that stays safe. But look at what we have here. It is a new planner folio. Is that what they're calling it? It's an undated, customizable planning folio bundle. So you get a bunch of things in here, which is really cool. The price point for this is $49.99, and there are 3 versions of this folio that you can purchase. I received the neon neutral folio. There are 2 other versions. The other ones are so pretty too. They're all really nice. So we have espresso. The espresso's like nice dark chocolate color. And then you have this blush pink one that kind of has some like little dot pattern on it, which is really pretty. Okay, so those are the 2 options. They're all the same price point, and they're all going to have the same inserts. It's just the cover, the little bands. Those are the only different things when it comes to the other ones. So this one again is the neutral. So it's a nice neutral, neon neutral aesthetic. I actually really like the neon on this, just to break up. This fits more my aesthetic right now because I started off very neutral in the planner world, but now I'm liking the pops of color here and there. I don't want like completely neutral anymore. So this definitely fits my new vibe. So I really like this one. So we have the fun neon neutral or neon little band here that holds the planner, the folio together. And it's a nice vegan leather. Inside, you're gonna have in the inside flap, it says Plan a Happy Life on the inside. So let's flip through the folio, see what you get in here, because you do get some inserts in here, which is really nice. Okay, so we have the inside. The first thing, we get a nice pocket. So I've been going down the journey of junk journaling, well, more memory keeping with like junk stuff that I'm collecting while I'm at stores, or like little tickets and things like that. So these little inserts are gonna be perfect to keep those all together in this folio. So I'm excited. I feel like this is gonna be a good, well, it's traveler kind of thing, so a good one for me to go on the go. So I'm excited for that. All right, so we have some stickers here. They are clear stickers. We have the month stickers here in 2 font styles, and then you get all these really cute icon stickers. Those are really pretty. Okay, you get some date stickers to date the planner that's in here. And then you get some headers. You have important, reminder, meeting, deadline to do. These are all paper stickers. Next, you get some dots. They're clear, neutral dots. And then last, you get these little tabs. So my next video, I'll be setting it up where I'm gonna add these in. But these are little monthly tabs, so you can put it on the planner and you can find your spot when it comes to the month. And then it also gave you some extra ones that are blanks in here as well. Okay, so these are the sheets that come in here. And then you do get this really nice pocket. Like I said, you can keep these stickers in here. You can keep other stickers. You can keep like the things you're collecting while you're on the go if you like doing that like me. Yeah, I like having a nice little insert like this in here. Okay, so we'll put this back. Oh, and this one has a purple band around it. I like that. Again, the little pop of color with all the neutral vibes is a good touch. Okay, so next you have, I really like this pocket because for more secure things that you don't want to like, this seems pretty secure, but if you want extra security, then you can put it in the little zip pouch here. A nice zip pouch for all your things. Okay, so those are the pockets. So I love that it comes with these because I feel like these inserts are kind of important to have in the planner. And then it comes with some folders, and they are both have folders on both sides, and you get 4 of them. So again, more places for you to put things, which I love. To decorate too, I have to like decorate these and make them all cute. So you have lots of places for that. And then again, I love the combo of the polka dots and the stripes. All right, now we're getting into the planner. Okay, so we have a nice planner, very simple design on the front. And I think this is a very simple planner. That's why I think it's gonna be good for on the go kind of planning. So we have Happy Planner. This planner belongs to like maybe list making, especially for errands and stuff. This will be good. That might be how I use it. All right, we have the monthly section here, which those stickers we already went over can be used here to date. And then you get some little dot lines right here on the bottom, and then some dot grid on the side. Okay, here's the first monthly section, the nice little long to-do list. Again, I'm liking this for on the go. You have this month's intention focus. You have a place where you can circle the month in, and then you have some grid paper on the side. It says notes, thoughts, feelings, happy little things. More grid. And then here, I really like this currently section. It reminds me of, if you've been planning for as long as I have, when we used to have this kind of section in your planner where you could put what you're currently into. So you have reading, loving, planning, going, creating, feeling, listening, dreaming. And this would be a cute area to do like a little memory keeping or something like that. I usually like to do that with this. You can junk journal in it. And that's the month. Like I said, it's a very simple, nice monthly section just for you to jot down some important things, do a little bit of memory keeping. Very easy to keep up with, this little planner. And it looks like this is going to be a full year's worth of planning. So you have a year's worth of months here, which is really nice in this nice little book. So I'm hoping in the future we're gonna see more inserts, because definitely gonna want more of this once you're done with it. And then hopefully we'll see even more fun inserts, like habit trackers would be cool, or just different kinds of paper styles would be cool. But for now we have the planner, and then we also have the journal section here with the cute little dot, polka dots on it. And this is gonna be my favorite kind of paper. Again, perfect for memory keeping, junk journaling, doing anything honestly you want to in here, making your own planner, because it's dot grid, which is my favorite kind of paper. So love that. And then this is a nice like subtle dot. It's not like super dark. So I like that too, or like really thick. So you can really do whatever you want with these blank pages here. Okay, and this one has a neutral band. This one has a neutral band. This one had a neutral band. So this one has a purple band at the beginning. Cute. All right, and then we have a little pen loop here, and the pen, I'll put my pen in here so you can see how it fits. One of my favorite pens, the Uniball Zento. Love that pen. It fits very nicely in here, and then you can close it up, and you got all your things nice and secure, and your new folio. This is so pretty. And on the back it says Happy Planner. All right, so that is the flip through of the new folio that's releasing from the Happy Planner. Again, on Wednesday, July 15th. Time will be down in the description if you're interested in purchasing this. It will be linked with my affiliate link down in the description. Definitely check that out. I'll have another video setting this up because I do want to make it a little bit more cutesy. And then I'll probably do some kind of plan with me or decorate with me when it comes to this, because I definitely need to start implementing this in, and it's undated, so you can start using it immediately, which is nice. So I'm definitely going to do that. So are you excited about this? I feel like this is a pretty good price point for what it is, because I know like just these little folios can be pretty expensive. So the fact that you get the folio Plus you get all these inserts and the journals and stuff. I think that's a pretty good price point. So yeah, I really, really like it. Let me know which one is your favorite if you checked out the site, which one you plan on grabbing if you are planning on grabbing one. I'm really loving this. This probably would have been the one that I picked. I probably would have picked the chocolate one, but honestly I'm glad I got this one because, like I said, I think it fits my vibe a little bit better currently and what I like when it comes to neutral with a pop of color. So this one is perfection in my eyes, so I'm excited to start using it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching as I flipped through and unboxed this new product from the Happy Planner. If you liked this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.